Hello. Today is day 4, Thursday, May 6th. Today is another async day. So let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have quite some activities to do. The first activity is an inference discussion. Remember, we have done inference, and it's to base a conclusion on what you see and what your own experience. So you're going to read the conversation and figure out where these people and answer these questions for conversation 1 and conversation 2 and conversation 3, and then type your answers here. So when you type your answer, you'll say conversation 1 and then answer 1, 2, 3, conversation 2, and then answer the questions for conversation 2 and the same for conversation 3. Okay. The next activity is in your textbook. You will complete page 66 and 67. All right. And take a picture and upload when you're finished. Please make sure that you take the picture very clearly. A lot of you guys are doing a really great job, so I can actually see your answer. Now, we have been working on our articles for our topics. So if you have not read the first or second article, make sure you do it and fill out this form. Right? Many of you know what I'm talking about, but those of you who don't, you have we have our One World folder, and you are going to go to your topic that you have selected. And so far, we have read the first and the second article. So if you have not read the first or the second article, please go and do that. Also, I would like for you to think about your POV, your point of view. Remember, that is your personal experience with the topic. So make sure you write it down somewhere so you have it ready for next week. Okay. And that's it for today. Good luck.